A few more days remaining. Occupy your tongue with the remembrance of Allah. I'd rather say Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, Subhanallahi al-Azim. I'd rather say that statement any day than to talk about another person behind their backs in a way that they would not be impressed if they heard what you said. That's called ghiba. I'd rather say Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, Subhanallahi al-Azim, glorifying Allah and praising Allah. Why? Because the hadith says, Kalimatani khafifatani ala lisani thaqilatani fil mizani habibatani ila rahmani subhanallahi wa bihamdihi subhanallahi al-azim. Two words, two little phrases that are very light on the tongue, very heavy on the scale, very loved by Allah. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi subhanallahi al-azim. That's a hadith, the last hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari, and the Prophet ﷺ stressed to us the importance of the remembrance of Allah and how small phrases can be heavy on the scale for you or against you. In this case, for you. And then when you utter bad words, it will be against you, even if you think it's something light. When you accuse someone of having an affair, for example, Allah Almighty warns us in Surah An-Nur when they accused Aisha radiallahu anha of immorality, and they belittled it in the sense that they thought it's not really something big and serious to talk about, meaning to talk about it is not such a grave sin because it's something small. Allah says, تَحْسَبُونَهُ هَيِّنًا وَهُوَ عِندَ اللَّهِ عَظِيمٌ. You think it's something light, but in the eyes of Allah, it is humongous to utter those words. This shows us that there are some words we consider light, small. We accuse someone, we hurt someone, we said something about someone, and we don't even think about it twice. And Allah says, on the scales, it's actually very heavy, but on the wrong side. In the same way, you have words of praise of Allah that are simple but heavy on the scale. On the right side, you have words of slander and backbiting and accusation and evil words that might be light on the tongue, heavy on the scale, but on the wrong side. May Allah protect us. This is the month of Ramadan. Become conscious of it. Make life easy for people and develop your relationship with Allah.